right. Good. Bit of airflow. Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. Hope you can hear me. Oh, she's different to the CBR, that's for sure. Definitely needs another exhaust. Got that on the way. I can hardly touch the ground, it's great. I'm 6'1". Amazing how big this feels for a 390 compared to like a 1250 or something BMW GS. Just couldn't even fill up the tank for me. Thanks, Peter Stephen. Got 2 bars left. See that? So I'm just going to drop in on a mate of mine. He got me under the 390. I know him off Instagram, Paul, and he got me $500 off this bike. So I'm going to drop in and say hello. My God, the turning circle on this is so much better than the CBR. Unbelievable. I'm just taking it a bit cautious at the moment because they're brand new tyres, and going around the corner, I don't want to be doing anything. I'm certainly not leaning it much at the moment, but once the tyres we're in business. You would think buying a new bike, they might actually fill the tank up for you, but I can barely get home on what they're giving me. It's already on low fuel. $14 from empty. How easy is the turning circle on that thing? I can't do that on the CBR. Not quite that sharp.